Hi there, my name's Amy. I work at the parts counter at the Columbus store of SunSouth, and I'm going to show you guys today the proper way to put a chain on a chainsaw. First thing you're going to want to do is release your safety here. That way everything's working properly, moving freely. Of course, you're going to slide your bar on there. They do have the adjuster that it sits on, right on the bar. There's going to be this little knob at the bottom. Once that's on there, you want to get your chain and make sure there's no kinks or tangles in it. And the best way to remember how to put the chain on is the curved edge of the tooth goes outwards toward the tip of the bar when you put it on there. So you're going to slide it on and just sit it inside that bar. Just whichever way is easier for you. If it's a little tight to get it around, you can slide it off that adjuster, get it around the tip of the edge there, and slide it right back on. Just whatever's most comfortable for you guys. We'll slide this cover back on here. And we're going to go ahead and put the bar nuts on just a little bit just to keep everything in place. Alright, once you've got those bar nuts on just a little bit, you want to loosen up your guide just a little, just to get your chain running freely. Make sure it's sitting in that bar, running free. You want to put a little bit of tension at the end of the bar to keep it tight. And you want to go ahead and adjust it and start tightening it down. Now, the most you want it tightened, you want to be able to lift the chain off the bar and see the bottom of the tooth, but then still be a little elastic and pop back into place into the bar. Once you've got that part done, you just want to tighten down your bar nuts here. And then last but not least, once you're done, good safety measure, lock it back in.